Do you want to make drums that make people go, damn, let's make some stanky drums? Tip number 1 is to pick good drum samples. The drum samples that come with FL Studio are not very good. There are tons of great drum sample packs that are available for free online or for very low costs. I've put a link for 3 drum sample packs in the description that are available for free. Make sure not to download too many if your hard drive is small, like mine. To illustrate the difference between good samples and bad samples, I've made the same pattern with both a set of good drums and a set of bad drums. Here's the pattern with the good drums. I'm going to play you the melody with the good drum samples, and then we'll play it with the bad drum samples. Here's with the bad drum samples. The second tip is to play out your drums on a keyboard or pads. Playing your drums on a keyboard or pads allows you to play multiple drums at the same time. Instead of just playing your kick or your snare individually into a pattern, it allows you to play them all together. Doing that without this FPC or without a pad or your keyboard would be quite difficult. And this really allows you to get into the groove of what you're playing. Tip number 3 is to take songs that you like and recreate the drums from those songs. A song that I really like is Coffee Bean by Travis Scott. What I did was I recreated the drums for Coffee Bean as best as I could in FL Studio. Here's the melody with the Coffee Bean drums. Recreating drums in FL Studio allows you to get an idea of why do these drums sound so good to me, and identify the parts that you really like. You don't have to use all the tips I said, but try to use some of them to elevate your drums.